Good morning, all. Today is the 22nd of February 2016, and I'm making a video here. I lost my first attempt to fade this market, but the way it's looking like, the opportunity to make money to fade is pretty good. It's getting close to zero. So right now it's like about 6 cents from it. So I'm starting to look to getting interested into maybe fading this again, see if I can be successful. Looking for one final push around the 80 level. I think I'm gonna short around that area. You can see right now I'm long the other one just because I shorted this one. I long this one just to see if it'll work out or not. Um, as far as I can tell, that's all the play so far. I'll come back and I'll show you the progression. So I took another trade here. I don't know if this is going to work out. Yeah, I got stopped out here. Uh, my entry was 48, or sorry, 53, and might just stop me out and sell back off here. Yeah, I think I knew that was gonna happen. Anyways, I'll come back. I think 81 would be my next place to place a short here, but look, it's coming down to my area again. So, all right, well, if I get taken out again, I get taken out. 58 really was really my entry, but didn't quite pan out for me. So 3 in a row. I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy here for a second. We'll see. I'll come back. Okay, so I give this one another shot. My entry is at 55, and I think it was right when this candle was spiking right here, and I just put a stop limit order on there. Looks like it's getting bought up here. I think I might be on the wrong side, but we shall see. I'm already in the trade here, so there's no point in getting out now. If anything, I'll protect myself with the 2-tick stop. So if it's supposed to go long, then it should not violate this 40 level right here, and it looks like it's getting retested there already. Looking pretty good as far as I'm gonna try to capture a dollar here even. I mean, looks like I really believe that this thing is gonna go pull back about a dollar. 32.62. So I might even put my order there. 32. The high of that's about 60. So yeah, I'll keep it at 32.80. Alright, so there's my target. So hopefully it doesn't get taken out. I'm just gonna sit and wait because I think if this one gets stopped out, I'm done for today. With a loser, of course, 20 ticks. So anyways, I'll be back. Okay, I got stopped out at placed my stop at 32, and I figured if it breaks this one, it might come back up in this level. So I guess when it comes back here, I'm gonna try to reshort it around this area, see if I can get any luck here. Let's see, yeah, about 50 level. I'm gonna try to reshort it there, see what happens. Meanwhile, I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Haven't taken any trades. The last one I took, the one I got stopped out on earlier, which is this leg move right here. Took it at 55, and then I rode this one, and I got stopped out at 32. I'm just watching it at the moment. I think there's going to be another leg up here. I just wasn't sure. Today's Monday, so market's going to get priced in. It's looking weak though, so I don't know. There's a level that I'm looking at here, around 33.89, around this level right here. Maybe 34.05 would probably be a good place to enter in, but I might look for the European close before I even consider getting in there, because I mean right now the tape is moving really slow, and you know, I'm kind of looking for a fast mover here, and seems like when this is looking to ready to crack, it just reverses on you and and go to the other direction to stop you out. So now the question is, why the hell you're not long in it then if that's the case? Well, the problem is, if you look at this level here, it already ranged, $2.18. So according to my study, I mean, anywhere around that, it'll be just foolish to long. So, it's been moving about $2 every day. So it's kind of doomed for or it's deemed reversal here. So frankly, that's kind of what I'm just looking for, is for this, some signal, some conviction for it to go on the opposite direction. Um, and I missed the 80 level. I mentioned that I was going to enter at 80. So as you can see, it didn't even quite make it there. 79 and pulled all the way back to 52. So right now, I just don't have a conviction for any direction right now. I might wait for the European close and start looking into maybe initiating another short entry. But that's it for now. I'll put it on hold. If I get something here, I'll try to record it. I'll be back. So I was trying here, lost three in a row again here. Um, I the reason why I took it is because of let me see, let me pull a level here. See, there's a level here like a 33.80ish level. So around there, I got in at 75. Um, so I think I'm gonna just sit on this and wait, and hopefully it hopefully this one's a little profitable than the other one. Pretty close to that 1030, so there might be one more push down before this thing goes lower. So I'm just going to go ahead and protect myself here just in case. I'll try to get in maybe at a better price, like around 88ish or so. This thing pulled back, oh, I don't know, pretty good, but almost 20 cents here. Before we, well, actually, a little over 20 cents. So we shall see. We shall see. I was hoping you get yanked out a little lower there, but didn't quite work out. So it might be testing this low here. So I'm anticipating if this thing tests again, it might come over here, and at that point, I just want to break even first and see if I can get it lower. So my target right now, I'm looking at about $33, and the reason for that is it's around this level right here. So that's like about 40% retracement. So if the stock is strong, I mean, sorry, if this if the price movement is strong, it'll hold around 40 to 50. So but at that point, I'm already out before that even happened. So at least that's kind of the game plan that I had in mind. And if I'm right, then I rip the rewards. But if I'm wrong, then let's see here. Seems like the play here is just to stop people out and come back down. So I don't know if I'm gonna ever move my stop here again, just because I stop me out by 2 pennies here, and then if anything, yeah, I'll short around 80, around this area here. So just using this as support at the meantime. So signaled another short there. So if anything, I'm thinking 1030 might, at 1030 when the European closes, then it might take off and then just fade the move at around 1030. So at least break even at the moment. I don't really have any. I don't have a level. I mean, I'm just gonna stick to my plan here and play this move. So we'll see. Hopefully I can get a better price, maybe 80. So right now this looks like it's going to pop again. So I'll pause. I got stopped out. My last entry, or got stopped out of 51. So you can see it went 2 ticks above my stop, stopped me out, and now look, it's back to its near low again. So kind of frustrating. Anyways, yeah, I think I'm done today. I've traded more than I really want. So I'm done. See you guys on the next video. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit me up. Pretty good. I wish I could have done better. I got two big winners and one, two, about six losers, two big winners. So happens all the time. So um, I wish I didn't have to go to work today. But anyways, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna I caught some of the major moves and I tried to hold as much as I could, but didn't quite pan out for me. So I'm pretty sure I want to say it'll go at least 33.20 around this level here. I mean, it already broke this piece. I was the reason why I placed my stop right there is because there's this huge level here. I knew it was gonna try to rally off of that. So in case it rallies, I didn't want to give up what I just made being one contract only. So I put a very tight stop. As you can see, I got stopped out. I think I had it at 65. I had it over here, but I didn't want to give up all that much because this thing went up to 40. So for it to retrace all the way back to 60 level, that's a 20 tick that you're giving away. So I got aggressive. I shouldn't have. I should have just kept it one at 65 around this level. Um, Anyways, I was really trying to fade that move. Like I mentioned, there was a level there for supply, and as you can see, I was getting it wrong, getting stopped out at the same area, and finally, I was like, well, I widened my stop, thinking it was a wide stop, but the high of right now is 84, I believe, which is this one, and as you can see, I got stopped out by a penny, and then it went down, and I reshorted again at that point. So. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm done. I gotta get to work. So y'all have a good one. Good day.